Hello, I'm Brad Berkey. I'm here with Corey Sanders. We're at SAP SAPPHIRE 2018 in Orlando, Florida. Thanks for joining us.
Yeah.
Hey, Corey, thanks again for making time.
Absolutely, thanks
really
for having me.
Appreciate
It's a lot of fun. Yeah.
So, Corey, we're here with 20,000 customers.
My closest friends.
Your closest friends. What are you hearing from customers you get an opportunity to meet here? What's the sentiment of what they're talking about Microsoft?
I mean, it's actually electric. I mean, it really is. It's unbelievable to be able to walk around. People see my badge, say I'm from Microsoft, right? They stop by the booth and like, oh, you guys are the guys doing SAP in the cloud. I mean, it really is this such a surreal experience, especially having talked with folks who've been here previous years, and it's sort of like, oh, what are you guys doing here, so and so. But now it's not only we know you, we know what you're all about, but you guys are the guys, right? And so it's really exciting because we have such an opportunity. It's I think maybe I think you and I have always thought there's a lot of opportunity here.
Yes.
It's the first time we are really feeling the opportunity, right? I mean, the booth's busy. There's people surrounding it, talking when to talk. It is really electric. Right. Is really the best word to describe.
Awesome, Corey. I know you're obsessed with customer success.
Obsessed
with customer success. What does customer success mean for Microsoft as it relates to SAP? Can you give me a sense of where your thoughts are on that?
Well, this, really, it played out a lot in some of the announcements we made this week. It's all about enabling a lot of optionality, right? When you, one of the more interesting things about SAP is every single SAP deployment is different. Every single customer's got kind of that different tweak or that different thing they set up, which means different sizes, different memory configurations, different ways they're going to use the public cloud, right? Are they going to use storage? Are they going to use our ML backend, right? Are they using AI, so on and so forth? And so making sure that optionality is there is really a big part of the announcements we've made and sort of what I think customers are really starting to like. Smallest size, largest size, right? Everything in between, just making sure people can do what they want to do on our infrastructure is really, I think, what being successful for SAP is going to be. And then carrying it into the future. How do we enable the modernization around it? How do we enable more of that AI, machine learning solutions that build on top of SAP to be able to take advantage of those things for customers? So
well, now you mentioned announcements.
I did. I knew I ran like right into
it.
Yeah.
So let me ask you, what are the key tenets that have been announced here at SAPPHIRE?
Yeah, you bet. So a few things, right? So we announced largest size. So we announced 24 terabyte size.
We're mighty.
I know, big. those 24 terabytes of memory. It's just like mind-blowing how much memory that is, right? So that's exciting. We also announced a future plan. That's bare metal. We announced a future plan for 12 terabytes VM.
Wow.
And that got a lot of focus, right? Because I think the bare metal's fantastic, but it has some management. You got to manage it like it's bare metal.
Right.
With virtual machines, what's nice about it is, of course, you can just kind of do it up and down, spin it up, spin it down, play around with it, right? And we've seen the success with M series already up to 4 terabytes.
Yes.
We announced our plans now to go to 12, and so this has been exciting. And then we actually announced much smaller M series. One of the more interesting things is that while those monster sizes are huge, the smaller sizes, we see a lot of customers that are really excited to use those. They have different partitions, they have different types of deployments of SAP, and so down to, I think, 192 gigabytes of memory.
Right.
So a big range.
So we're gonna support the enterprise customers and the small customers.
That's right.
So our field sellers should be confident in Microsoft's ability to service the enterprise customers and our smallest customers.
You got it.
Awesome. So talk to me. All right. So Microsoft doesn't migrate, move, install anything. Right. So this requires our ecosystem, our partners.
Yes.
Talk to me a little bit about I know you're passionate about partners, but talk to me a little about partners.
Well, and this is what's great is that there's, partners are not only critical, but there's a lot of opportunity for them to add value. Right. And so, whether it be classic sort of SAP partners, folks like Accenture, or folks like T-Systems, or whether it be some of the more modern partners, right, who are working with us on this as well. The whole, so I shouldn't say modern, they're all modern.
Yes.
More new, sort of newly created partners, right? They're all kind of involved in sort of building these experiences for customers, whether they're going to be engaging on actually running the infrastructure or engaging on the modernization path, or both. The partner combination is going to be really, really powerful.
Awesome. As I've told you before, the message I've been giving out to the field is that we're in a very specific business. We're in the confidence business.
We are.
We're in the confidence business for our customers. We're in the confidance business for our partners.
I mean, if we don't give you confidence, I don't know what would.
And we're in the business of making sure our field is confident
Yes.
in our ability to take on this workload,
That's
right?
right.
Against our competitors, right?
That's right.
So I think the key message we want to give to our customers, we've delivered some awesome new capacity as we
That's
announced
right.
at Sapphire.
That's right.
We've got partners to help us deliver on this business, and we've got the ability in the enterprise to deliver value to our customers, and we have a responsibility to deliver value. Right?
That's
It's
right.
not just about providing infrastructure.
That's right.
Corey, thank you so much for making time.
Absolutely.
I look forward to the rest of our meetings
Yes, thank
today.
you, and
really
good luck.
appreciate you making time.
Good luck to these customers that are deploying.
Absolutely.
I'm looking
Thank
forward
you.
to it, and let's get it going.
Yeah.
Thanks.